I want you to do me a favor and listen, okay? Because I'm going to teach you how to get jacked and rich this summer. Okay, I went from, let me find my phone to show you this real quick. Bear with me, okay? Give me 2 seconds. This is what I look like 3 months ago. This is what I look like. Also, my bank account, I don't have a picture of my bank account. Let's see, where's a picture of lately, how much money I made, just so you can believe me and not think that I'm lying to you. Boom. Can you see that? Can you see that? I don't know, $16,000 in a month, okay? So I'm gonna teach you how to get rich and and jacked at the same time. So, 2 things you gotta do. That's it, okay? You gotta go out there and talk to people, and you gotta go to the gym. That's all you gotta do to get rich and jacked. But let me explain a little bit more so you don't get mad at me, okay? All of you right now know how to get rich, you know how to get jacked. Be honest with yourself. You know exactly how to get jacked. If I asked you, you would know. Right? Fundamentally, to get jacked, all you have to do is this. Eat in a caloric surplus, so eat more calories than you expend in a day. Preferably eat a bunch of protein, right? 0.8 grams per pound of body weight is where the science drops off. So that's the number you should be aiming for. Exercise with progressive overload, 5 to 6 times a week, and recover good. Boom. Like, everybody here knows that. You know that, I know that. It's super easy to get in shape, right? Super easy. We both know how, so why aren't we doing it? Okay, well that leads us to another question, which we'll talk about in a second. Which leads us to the second thing. How do we make money? Making money is very simple. You provide a product and or service to solve somebody else's problems. So you going out there mowing somebody's lawn solves a problem. Here's the thing, is the only reason why you aren't rich is you haven't done it, you haven't asked enough people, and you haven't done it for enough people. Because here's the thing, a lot of people need their lawn mowed. A lot of people need their house cleaned. A lot of people need their car washed. You just haven't asked enough people yet. It's as simple as that. If you asked 1 million people, hey, can I wash your car in exchange for money? You would have a lot more money than you have right now. You just haven't asked 1 million people yet. So here's the thing, getting rich, getting in shape, getting fucking ripped is super easy. You and I both already know how. But we want to wait for another secret on the internet. We want to wait for another guru, shirtless guru, to tell you what to do. Well, here, I will tell you what to do. Get the fuck off YouTube. Get off Instagram. Delete social media. Stop hanging out with shitty friends. Stop fucking partying. And go out there and do what you know you need to do. You know how to make money. You know how to get in shape. You know how to do it all. You just haven't done it. Like, dude, you know how. We just talked about it 2 minutes ago. You know how to do it. You just haven't put the effort in. You haven't been disciplined enough. That's it. You haven't been disciplined enough. That's it. I guess you don't care, right? I guess cold calling is hard. I guess making a good offer is hard. I guess talking to strangers is difficult. I guess going to the gym, eating good food, and resting good, I guess that's hard, hey? Yeah, you know what? You're right. It is hard. It actually is really difficult. I agree. It's very difficult. You know what's also really hard though? Being broke. Being told what to do. Being forced to wake up to go to a job you hate. Being fat. Being laughed at when people see you lift up your shirt. Being insecure when you look in the mirror. That also sucks. So dude, it sucks either way. It's hard either way. Just pick your hard. It's gonna suck either way. So why not just pick the one that has the better outcome in the end? Why not pick that one, hey? It's just a choice. It's just a choice. Life is just trade-offs. You watching this video is a trade-off for you jerking your cock or doing something else. It's a trade-off. You made a good trade-off watching this video. Now make a good trade-off for the rest of your day. Do something good. Eat some good food. Get a workout in. Delete some social medias. Go out there and do some good. You know how to make money. You know how to get rich. You don't need another YouTube video to tell you how. You already know how. Just go take the action. At the end of the day, the only reason why you haven't got what you don't want, is because you haven't put in the work to get it. Simple as that. That's the only reason why you haven't got there. If you haven't got the body you want, you haven't put the reps in. Literally. So, my brother, if you want to make your life a little bit easier, I've created a free community for young introvert entrepreneurs who want to go out there, make a bunch of money, prove their old self and their friends and family wrong, while also getting in sexy shape. Free school community, link down below. You can jump on calls with me, ask me any question you want, and get access to all my SOPs, trainings, documents I've used to scale all the companies I've worked with and worked on for free to you. So click the link down below to join that. Hop on calls with me so I can get to know you and get to see your progression over the next couple months here during the summer. Let's get it, bro.